Just into New Jersey. Severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until later on today. Severe thunderstorms run through the area as of now. Storms are getting very severe as it's run through the area. You can see the storm on the radar. New Jersey. It is downpouring outside right now. Storm chasers rolling out right now. Severe storms are really big today, and the storm is fishing going away. This storm really rolled through the area. To the north, there may be a second burst of rain coming from the north as our storm from earlier begins to roll away. It looks like there's another severe thunderstorms coming from one of our towns a mile away. Like this storm over here was one of the big ones we got about earlier today. Our car may be stuck in parking brake. Should there be a thunderstorm to our north? The storm behind us is brewing up. check that out. Let's check out our storm from earlier today. We have another storm going east. Chasing down these severe thunderstorms. The storm from earlier today is leaving the area as of now. You still see the storm from earlier today, leaving our area, but this storm to the north. We're trying to go with this storm to the north. We're going to have to turn towards another storm. I did earlier today because this storm was not coming towards us. The wind is picking up around 5, going north. We actually may be heading towards the storm. I think we have another storm forming up behind us. Look on radar. Severe thunderstorm warning right to our north. We're going to go towards this storm. That storm that's forming to our north and west is probably not going to form yet. Tracking this severe thunderstorm is currently going on to our north. The sun is kind of coming up. That storm we're trying to get to may be a lost cause because it's kind of far up there. If we keep moving, we should really get into that storm. We have a storm behind us right now. Maybe I should tracking down this storm. I'm trying to catch up to this storm. It's moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. A fast-moving storm right now. There's the storm right there to our up. It's coming our way. Not that storm over that way. It's this one, the new one. Here's the rain. Here comes the rain. Should we go back? Is it raining at the town over here though? There's a town over this way that I can go to. Leave to the town to get to the building. This storm's really bad. Go inside. Is in effect of this thunderstorm right now. Down to the south of us, seeing orange out of the storm. This storm is very severe. The severe thunderstorm watch is pushing south as of now. The storm is pushing south. We want to chase it. leaving the storm right now, but we're trying to catch back up to it. We're still in the back edge of the severe storm as it's going through our area. We should be re-entering the storm. We're still in the back edge of the storm. It looks like the sun's coming back out. We're tracking the storm, but I don't think we're going to get back into it. We have to call off the chase. It stopped raining, but the storm's getting too far away. A little bit more clouds are coming in, but we don't know if these storms are done. Or it's not up. It's a storm that we were just got hit by. Seems to be a very strong storm that has just hit us. Storm that we just got hit by, which is that storm. We have a storm, the sun is coming out, if you look. You still hear thunder as the storm is leaving the area. There could be the rain showers from the north. And back behind the storm, the sun getting blocked up by some clouds back behind the storm. Like the sun's out now. And this beast is rolling away. Another gnarly storm coming in. I think it's about to rain again. Yeah, that storm as it gets far up there though. If you look at the top of the radar, you can see that storm. The sun is out. But this storm is going to miss us, probably. Never mind, it's getting darker. Clouds are rolling overhead right now, so the storm may be coming. But the sun is setting, so you can still see the sun right now. Here comes the rain. Everybody. They showed the storm wasn't coming our way, but it seems like it is. on radar is not showing the storm. Yep, here comes the storm. You're in a little bit of rain, but the main thunderstorm is not near us. You can get a little out-of-band showers if this were to rain. This is Matthew News signing off. We'll have a live feed of the radar for the next couple of hours. active weather pattern with all these storms around. The area. The sun on the horizon. See now, there's a whole bunch of storms on the area. See, like all the rain on these storms are basically this. And here it is, it's lightning and almost a thunder. For at least 3 to 4 hours now. But none of these storms have hit. Well, has hit downtown Little Creek, which has a different name, but downtown Little Creek is not been affected. Is not affected. A storm. Ferry Cove is not been affected by these storms. Blue Creek was getting heavier rain this morning, but that was the all of our Little Creek was seeing storms. Downtown wasn't. Once all this rain clears out, we're going to clear via the night sky, and we're going to see the hollow moon. We have another storm brewing up to the north, that looks like. That could be the same storm line right now that's currently being going through the northern towns. Since it's nighttime, these storms are harder to see. The flashes of lightning. Very beautiful night. And that beautiful view of the crescent moon right now. On radar right now, you can see a whole bunch of rain going on to our south. Thunderstorms coming our direction as of now. Another runs of storms are coming. Some more rain is finally going to hit our area. We're going to go off air as of now. Goodbye.